Okay, Alex, today, well, it actually is today. So, wait. I'm going to be making fart sounds with this slime. And, yeah. Oh my gosh, it's my brother. And I just took it out, and it flopped out. And this blue, it's a perfect blue. And I'm going to be making fart sounds. But I need to put it back in because I don't know if you can hear that. But if you hear it, those are the fart sounds that I'm going to be making. It's a fart sound. Making fart sounds. Making fart. Actually, I'm going to see if I can do it with it out first.
Drinking farts.
So it will like that. We all got new iPods and we love them. Okay. So I'm gonna do a Slowly.io video on that. But I'm gonna see if I can make a fart sound.
Okay, did you delete NBA Live Mobile on your iPod?
On my iPod? Or iPad?
iPod.
No, it's not deleted. Did you delete it? Seriously? Wait, I will delete this. No, but I'm making a video.
I know.
That's fine. Okay, so put this back in.
Tricky.
It's tricky.
You're still eating your Lucky Charms?
No.
Can I push?
Make a fart.
I'm not
That's
good at it.
Sometimes it doesn't work for a fart. Oh, and we're using a, what do you call it? Mason jar?
A mason jar.
Did you take some?
No.
Okay, this is really hard. Actually, instead, let's make something. Let's see if we can make something. Oh, this looks like Jello. But I just have to make the top look better. Here, I mean the bottom. Well, actually the top. That was this. I was trying to push it in, and then it made worse. Okay, I'm gonna keep trying to do that. Okay, so this looks like Jello. Whatever you want to call it, gelatin Jello.
Create a new account, right? Create a new account. What should your username be?
Wait, I want to try to do that again. Okay, yeah.
Why? Kobe? What do you want to be? What do you want your username to be? I don't know. Pro.
Oh! The mason jar is upside down. Oh, I know what to do. Okay, so we're going to capture this. I don't know why I said capture this. But we're going to cover it. Like so. If I can switch it out.
So just do these tutorials and you're good.
And there we go. We have a monster. Or as you want to say, a ghost. Now I'm going to stick it back in. We're going to keep doing that.
Make fart sounds.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay, I'm going to try. Let me try. Guys, peace. I'm good at this.
I'm going to make the title Making Fart Sounds with My Brother.
Wait, that did even make a sound, and I still have the hiccups.
Go! You need to make it so that it will fart in.
Okay, last one.
Mike,
And
we
then
gotta
you
go,
can
buddy.
Okay.
Let's go. Hey.
Right after this, one more fart sound. Oh, it's good.
Oh. Clara? Max? Oh, Max. Clara.
Claire's playing with that
I can
light.
find a kid, probably.
It's me. I don't know. Okay, now put it in.
Right.
Stick it in.
Let me make a call.
Okay, my turn.
Wait, last one.
Hi.
Sorry, but I farted.
Got it.
Ew.
Sure. Understood.
I know. Okay.
That was a nice one.
Okay, now we're gonna get it in.
Exactly.
Oh, you almost fell.
Oh, that
I can do it. I'll carry you right back. Right?
Bad.
You're only a
Okay,
little
thanks.
girl.
A little cat.
He goes, he can play.
No
He goes, I don't
falling
wanna
today.
be- I don't want to be.
No!
Oh my God.
Oh, wait.
Oh my
Mike, we gotta go. We're already late. Mike, we gotta go, buddy.
'Kay.
See you at the game,
All right, bye, Dad. Bye, Michael.
Jack, let's go. We gotta pick up Ethan. Come on.
Jack, we picking up the
I
piece
don't-
in the boy.
Oh!
Yeah. We're picking up Ethan. too. Here, Jack. Put on KD's, buddy.
All right, that's the last fart sound. Thank you guys for watching. Peace and like and subscribe.